Black and red.
Black and red.
I'm a basic bitch.
So the black and red.
Okay,
interior.
that car is a really. I won't mention names, but that's a really ugly car.
Oh,
Why did I just called her hello Hector? This is not even the Hector. This is the MG Aster.
recording, no?
Yeah, it's recording.
Recording चालू है. So,
What's your verdict? Should we take the C-Link back to Bandra or shall we? Remember that we have to suck our stomachs in.
oh yes, of course.
Sit nicely. Are we taking the C-Link back to Bandra or shall we?
So you'll get a better sense of what the car feels like in the city if you take the long route.
Tell fast, have to choose.
Take right.
Via Shivaji Park, na?
BS Shivaji Park, yes, and Cattle Road. You'll get a better sense of what the car is like in the city, especially the suspension, which I think is quite nice for the city in this car.
Okay, so we've spent an hour or two driving around in this car, Tushar. Give me your initial impressions of like the cabin and sitting inside in the passenger. Rare occasions that you're in the passenger seat, because usually he's always the one driving the fancy cars.
It is usually the case, yes. So I drove this car at the Buddha International Circuit, as you know. I think it was last month. And of course the cabin and everything remains the same. The experience largely internally remains the same. It's really comfortable. I really like this. What do you call it? Wine? Would you call it burgundy? What would you call this color?
Red.
Okay.
Black and red.
Black and red.
I'm a basic bitch.
A basic bitch. So the black and red
Okay,
interior.
that car is a really. I won't mention names, but that's a really ugly car.
But it's incredibly comfortable and it's very impressive.
It may be impressive, but
Yes.
it's very ugly.
Yes.
Okay.
When you pick up people in that car, they're suitably impressive.
Guys, leave me in the comments and tell me which car you think I'm talking about.
So the black and red interior is very pleasing to me. I think it is a touch of class, and this is not black and red cutting corners. There's actual leather or leatherette on the dashboard. Even the black part is actual leatherette. The doors have a bit of leatherette, a bit of plastic, but still nothing feels cheap. I think it's a great.
You know, I have to say that like for a price point, they're pegging it at just under 10 lakhs, na?
Yeah,
The
starting.
cabin is so premium.
But I don't think the cabin is going to be that premium in the absolute base model. This is probably the top model. So yeah, that is
Because
something.
we've got to show you the top model, guys.
Of course, because we are top models ourselves.
Yeah, kya?
So
Okay, then, oh
they-
God, where am I going?
I don't know.
India,
Go
I'm going
straight.
to, like-
Don't go to Siddhivinayak. and
I'm
don't
not
go
going
back.
towards South Bombay.
Yeah, please don't. So I'm happy with the interior. I also think that the whole tech stack is less fussy than it normally.
We'll make Tushar talk to. Hello, Hector.
Hi.
Oh, why did I just called her hello Hector? This is not even the Hector. This is the MG Aster. Hello, Aster.
Pardon?
Cancel.
Hello, MG.
Tuning in to AM.
Oh no.
Hello, MG.
Okay, so here's the thing, and this is something that most people get wrong. You have to wait for the computer or the AI assistant to respond.
Hello, Aster.
Hi. How can I help?
Close the sunroof. Okay, it worked.
It worked, but it works in a specific cadence. You need to wait for that tone so you know that it's listening to you. You can't just talk. And of course now it's on AM mode.
These on your Insta page at Red.
Hello, Aster.
I'm here.
What is the temperature?
34.4 degrees Celsius. Intermittent clouds at daytime and intermittent clouds at night. What else can I help you with?
Hello, Aster. Go to Taj Lands End, Bandra.
Pardon?
Go to Taj Lands End, Bandra. So
That's because you keep interrupting yourself or interrupting them. You have to
Okay.
wait for the tone, say one thing and stop.
okay, you say something.
Okay.
Tell them to open again this sunroof.
Hey Astor. Hello Astor.
I'm here.
Open the sunroof.
So that full thing is only opened.
Okay. Now you manually close it. How do you manually?
Hello, Astor.
I'm here.
Play music.
There is no available source. Connect to USB device and try again.
So now here's another interesting thing. You're asking the Astor system to play music. You would assume that it
There
would
is
play.
no available source. Connect to USB device and try again.
You would assume that it would play from here, no? But
Yeah.
this is on Apple CarPlay. It's a completely different system. So there's no connection.
Hey Siri, play. Ask Siri to play something.
Yeah. So you'll have to.
Hey Siri, play.
Okay,
Bam.
here's Very Nearly Nashville on Spotify.
That's yours.
Siri's on another trip
That's
altogether.
yours, Siri, not mine.
I didn't even say Nashville.
Now you go to Apple
Uh-oh,
CarPlay.
something's wrong. Please try again.
Now if you press that Siri button, where is the Siri button? Yeah.
Yes.
No, cancel. Now if you long press it,
Hey Siri, play Freedom by Wham.
Now playing Freedom, Radio Edit by Robbie Williams on Apple Music.
okay.
Who wants to now listen to Robbie Williams when you've asked for Wham? Hey, there's a Starbucks here. Look at a lovely one here.
Yeah, it's a
Beautiful
nice
one. There's a very elegant looking people sitting there. Elegant. Okay, so one more comment. Suspension of this car is on point.
At least for the city, it is on point. It's very
because we've been going through some really some rough patches, some really strange roads with like bumps and all those, like these main roads. What do you think?
for the track. When you drive even marginally aggressively, it feels too soft. There is body roll, and it's just not a car that you want to drive aggressively. But that also indicates that it's probably going to be really good for the city, which is what you're feeling right now. It's incredible. It's like magic carpet ride.
It's a magic carpet ride. It's
Yeah.
really smooth.
How do you like the transmission? Do you feel like it's shifting fast enough?
Very,
Yeah.
very good and great pickup. No, you I don't know whether you felt the same when you were driving it in.
Again, these are not track conditions are not the conditions to drive this car aggressively. So even if you floor it over there, you're not going to feel it because that track is made for hundreds of kilometers an hour. But in the city, yeah, it feels fairly peppy. It does what it's supposed to.
It does what it's supposed to. Great responsiveness on the
Steering wheel.
Steering
You know
wheel.
you can change the response of the steering wheel, right?
Oh, really?
Yeah, you can.
Okay.
So if you go into the settings, you can actually change how it feels. Let me see if I can do that for you. Vehicle settings. I'm going to do that on camera. Okay, there's EPS, the electronic power steering. Right now it's in normal mode. Now I'm going to put it in urban mode,
Which is what?
which should make it feel much lighter.
Oh yeah. Oh no, but I prefer a heavier steering.
You do?
Yeah. I don't know. I just somehow feel that I'm more in control with a heavier steering.
Well, that is, I mean,
Generally
it's
the
pretty
case.
generally the case. Now I'll put it into dynamic, so it's really much harder. How does it feel now?
Oh my god, it feels like it's like driving itself.
You prefer this or do you prefer the normal mode?
Normal mode. That was really working for me.
So then now
And
we're back to normal mode.
normal mode.
So there are a bunch
Driver display entirely digital.
yeah.
Very nice graphics and all, huh?
Yeah.
Very nice graphics.
Yeah, and it shows you when you have the lane keep assist and
Lane
stuff
keep
on.
assist.
It shows you the markings and things like that.
Speed limiter, indicator, like all mandatory for all cars in India now.
Yeah.
Above 80.
To summarize, the party tricks in this car are the tech stack. So you've got the AI assistant, which is now pointing at you.
Why would someone even make a car like this? So ugly.
Yeah, I've also driven that in Rajasthan. In fact,
Oh,
the same place we are going again at the end of this week.
you are saying? Summarize it.
To summarize, the party tricks in this car are all tech related. So you've got the AI assistant. I think this is it's a little bit of a gimmick to me. I'm sure it has a slightly humanizing effect, and I think that's the whole point of having this little cute icon that turns its head to you or to whoever is speaking.
I think it will take a couple of versions before, like it will take a couple of versions before they are actually seamless. Like, I guess how the evolution of even Siri, which now has started to become a little more seamless.
Sure.
My God, this is a really crowded street. Don't you agree? It will take a couple, even for car AIs like this.
It absolutely will. Yeah. However, now you consider the autonomous facilities in this car, which are actually most impressive. I believe this car is considered level 2 autonomous, which means which means that it can technically drive itself, but due to regulations, of course, it's not allowed to drive itself. So when you put on lane keep assist and you turn on adaptive cruise control, it will basically drive the car behind a safe distance behind the car in front of you.
And I can see that on the MG Pilot indicator.
You can see that
also
over there. Yeah, and it will just follow the car in front of you, and it will do it, and it will steer. The only thing is that you have to actually keep your hands on the steering wheel, touching it every once in a while. You can't just sit like this, because it will tell you that you need to put your hands back on the steering wheel, otherwise it will disengage. So if you just keep touching the steering wheel, it will basically drive itself behind the car in front of you. So it will in effect drive itself, and that is the most impressive part. Now, if they can get that right, and they can get that right in a regulatory environment where there are strong liabilities, somebody dies, it's going to be your fault, it's going to be the company's fault. They can get these autonomous things right. So I feel like they should be able to get AI and the other little technology bits right. So I'm waiting for that. Like you said, maybe in the next couple of years or
iterations.
That's the correct word.
I have to say that I was always a fan of the vertical orientation of the MG car screen. I really like this. Yeah, on the Hector.
Aster, which is the normal petrol version of what we know as the ZS EV, has a landscape version. Oh, okay, that's interesting.
So yeah, I used to really like that, because I think I've only seen vertical orientation of the screen, touch screen, in a Tesla. I've not seen it in another car.
Correct. However, even Teslas have now moved to standard landscape orientation.
Oh, really?
Yes.
I thought that was pretty cool. But anyway, I'm really loving the general graphics and interface, the UI here.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Okay, so rough roads, concrete roads, rumble strips, painted strips.
Very nice, huh?
Everything very comfortable.
Very comfortable.
No crashiness. How the brakes feel?
Very good. Sometimes I feel I step on it a bit too hard, because I'm kind of getting used to it, because I only have got this car for today. I've got it a couple of hours ago. But I have in the last couple of hours, I've stepped on it too hard and it's given that real big jerk. Don't you agree?
I haven't felt it so far, so I guess you're driving well.
Now we shall go for a cup of tea.
Sure.
I'm taking Tushar to this lovely place, guys. You might have seen it on my feed, called Taj Mahal Tea House in Bandra, which is this beautiful old Parsi bungalow which is converted into a little tea house by Taj Mahal. Well, not the hotel, the tea brand Taj Mahal, and it's a lovely place. I really love it, and I hope that you like it, and that you will enjoy a nice afternoon cup of tea. Guys, I hope you're enjoying this vlog so far.
It is exactly 4.
It's exactly tea time.
It's exactly tea time. 4:02. Don't disturb the lovers.
The lovers. Oh my. Okay then.
More.
So those driving past Bandra Reclamation at this hour are in for some really scandalous scenes. Oh, okay. Did you just see that? I'm so confused. Whatever. If it makes them happy, guys, let them do what they want.
It used to be like this on Carter Road when I was a kid.
Yeah, oh my God, remember? And used to be told to not look, don't look and all. Please don't look. More like